details, yarn tales, a community.
Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd. This is the Corner to Corner series, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to flatten this off. So say you've gotten here, we've come out from a point, we've gone straight on up, and now we want to flatten this section, and that's what we're going to do in this video. So it's going to be very similar to the first video that we started with flattening this. We're just going to be doing it here instead. So let's begin this process. The other thing I should tell you, we're going to throw an extra stitch in the middle here just for balance, and we did that when we were doing the first video down here, and I'm going to show you how to do this next. It's pretty simple. So right where you're sitting, you're going to then just chain 3. You are now going to double crochet into the next stitch that's available to you. And now you're going to half double crochet into the next stitch, and then just jump to the chain 3 spot and single crochet. So we're going to do it how we did it on the first video. So we're just going to reach on down. We're going to do a double, half, and a single. So we reach on over, so double, half, and a single. It's just how we started is different. And then single crochet into the chain 3 spot and continue that process across. So double, half, single. So double, half. Oops. It should be a half and single. And then single into the chain 3 spot. So double, half, single. So double, half, and single. Okay, just continue that all the way across. Make sure you do put a single crochet into the chain 3 space, and I'll be closer to over here in a moment. So I've just got one more box left, and I'm going to start off with my double, half, single, and then single into the last top of the turning chain of that chain work. And therefore you got yourself to be flat again, so you can have a nice area all the way around. You could have an arrow, you can have anything that you want, but you've just now transitioned back to making it flat after just doing the rows back and forth like that. Okay, so our next video, we're going to then explore what it's going to be like to go back to a corner to corner when you're doing this process. So I'm going to frog myself back and then show you how to do this.